Hi everyone, it's Miss Segovia and I want to walk you through the introduction to bonding and enzymes. So in your notebooks on page 24, you can go ahead and put a cover page for bonding and enzymes. We'll leave 23 blank for now. I've got some plans for that in the future. On pages 25, you guys are going to be building a slider, which I'll show you how to do in a minute. 26, you're going to have a little info sheet on dehydration synthesis and hydrolysis. And then on page 27 and 28, you're going to have coloring sheets for dehydration synthesis and hydrolysis. So that's how we're going to get it all set up to start. So let's take a look first at what does it mean to do dehydration synthesis and bonding. I have another little video where I show you how to put this slider together. This is kind of cool because we can move it back and forth. But let me go ahead right now and help you with the notes for it. So here we have two carbohydrates. They're awesome little carbohydrates. They really want to get together and form a happy little connection to make a polymer. So to make our polymer, which is these guys are monomers, and we want them to go together, we have to do the process of dehydration synthesis. So to synthesize one big molecule, we have to dehydrate them. So on here, we're going to call this dehydration synthesis. And sometimes it's also known as, so AKA, also known as a condensation reaction. Now, why is that? So dehydration is the removal of water. So if you look right here, we have a OH and we have an H. Using enzymes, which we'll talk about in the next couple days, we can actually remove this little droplet of water right here, because notice you have two H's and an O. And so to break them apart, or to bond them together, we remove a hydrogen from here, hydrogen and oxygen from here, and we dehydrate it. So this one removes water to bond monomers. And so if you want to, you can color that in blue, make it a cute little water droplet, and totes adorbs. Now, the opposite. Let's say I have these bonded together. They would actually look like they're holding hands, where this carbon would attach to that oxygen. If I want to break them, I add water. And that process is called hydrolysis. And so literally, hydrolysis means water and breaking. You're going to see the word lysis come up again in the future. And so lysis is a breaking word. And so this one uses water to break apart monomers. And again, those monomers are our two little carbohydrates that we have up here. So this is our concept. We're going to take a few more detailed notes on it, but I wanted to show you how to do the slider. So if they're apart, we want to break them apart, but you do hydrolysis. If we want to bond them together, we do dehydration synthesis. Pretty neato, huh? All right, on to a few notes. So the biochemistry. So